Hello dear magic friends. I'm Sylvia Hartman and I'm going to show you how to cast a real good old-fashioned spell and how to really cast a spell. Now what magic's supposed to do, it is supposed to make changes at the energy levels of reality, and these changes are then the seed from which the new reality grows. And that's how magic works. Energy magic works. All magic works. So today we're going to cast a spell the old-fashioned, the primal way. And that's really quite easy. And I think we'll just go into it and I'll explain the details as we go. So the first thing I've got here is a box with a blanket. Just show you that here. It's a simple box with a blanket around it because we need something to catch the objects that we're going to cast, because we're going to really cast a spell with energy and with enthusiasm. So that's the first thing we need. You can, of course, if you've got the space, cast into the ground, or you can cast it into a sofa, but you will need somewhere to cast your spell, your material objects that are involved in the spell too. But we'll see how that works. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to need some objects that we can use to cast our spell. And I've got, to start us off with, I've got some little golden, simple golden hearts here that are just simple golden hearts cut out of cardboard. And these are going to be our casting objects. So you put those in your hand and you close your hand up and you shake it. And as you shake it, you start to raise energy. Whew. If you don't know how to raise energy, you will need to learn that. But if you know how to raise energy, you're now raising a lot of energy and you can feel that. Now, as we're raising this energy, we're going to have to set an intention. So for this exercise, I'm just going to have more love into the world. More true golden love into the world. This is my spell that I'm going to cast. And as you continue to raise energy and shake these objects in your hand, there comes a point when you just can't take it anymore. And you have to cast the spell. And that gives you such an energy kick. It's an extraordinary thing. Whew. And the energy kick you're getting is the reward for casting the spell. I am now tingling all over. I have goosebumps all over me, from literally all the way up my legs and through my shoulders from casting this spell. So let me show you another one. This time I have got some shiny pennies, which I'm going to cast a money spell. So the objects that you're using to cast, the material objects that are using to cast a spell, are matched to your intention. There is a school of thought that says you shouldn't be casting money spells for yourself, but for other people. But you can certainly cast a money spell for a group of people that includes you. So for example, if you cast a money spell for your family and you're a part of the family, then that will affect you too. So you kind of get around it that way. I'm going to cast my money spell to a special group of friends. You could call a money club. And as I raise my energy, I state my intentions. Casting this money spell for all the members of the money club. So they're going to have magical money spell surprises. Magical money spell surprises. Oh! Oh God, I love that. Whew. Oh, that is such a good experience. It feels so good when you finally release that energy and cast that spell. And if you want, you can do, when you feel like that, you can give thank you to the powers that be. I've sometimes said, I've got a healing coming on, and found myself a person to do something with afterwards. Or if you want to do something inspiring, you know, write a song, write a poem, create a dance, do something marvelous. This is a wonderful way to raise energy. Okay, so we'll do one more. I'm excited. You should be. Well, you know, we should be excited when we cast spells because it's a brilliant experience and really, really fun. So what got us here in the first place was my spell for new ideas, new seeds for a brilliant creative future. Planting new seeds, new ideas, new projects, amazing new things coming in that are just delicious and fun and tasty and not work. And for that, I've got some seeds that I've collected, and these are apricot, peach, and lemon, and orange seeds. And seeds are a brilliant metaphor for this whole new projects, new ideas, new insights. Things that, you know, once they're planted in the soil of energy, as it were, they can start to grow. And I'm going to make this really global, and I'm going to say that the whole world needs more ideas, good ideas, bright ideas, you know. New projects, things that are delicious and wonderful. So I'm going to raise my energy now. Bright ideas, wonderful ideas, new projects, new surprises, marvelous new things that bring forth golden, beautiful, tasty, nutritious, healthy fruit. New projects, new ideas. Woohoo! But I tell you what, try it. It's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So I'm going to end by just saying thank you to the powers that be. Thank you to this beautiful universe. Thank you to the great creative order. And thank you for the wonder worlds of energy, which are so magical in nature. I hope you're going to have lots of fun with this basic method of casting a real spell that has real effects in the really real world. See you later, and be magical. Sparkle, shine.